This is how you make your table for visitors. And they have to be correspond. As a waiter, you must learn your work very well. If you want to be a waiter, you have to know how to systemize spoon, cup, fork, knife, everything. Okay, let's fly. Now we have arranged the fork, the knife, the cup. Everything is unarrangeable. Mama, she's cutting bread. Okay. Christmas food. My husband, mother, she is cooking everything. Christmas food is coming ready. Not yet. This is what we started preparing yesterday. Prawns, fresh prawns. When I love it, I film fresh prawns. And this is fish. We call it kose. This is kose. Fruit for this Christmas. Let's see. This is capesante. My husband and mother have marinated all of them with breadcrumbs. I used to do it at home. I cannot open it more now. Christmas does around. Let's come and be doing it. This is prawns, big prawns. And she has made them. Oh wow, with breadcrumbs, very beautiful. Food boku for this also. This is another capesante with breadcrumbs. Oh my gosh. Let's cover it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys more. We are making vol-au-vent. This one is not vol-au-vent. Come si chiama mamma?
Questi sono
sandwich. Okay, we put butter. This is bread, butter, and fish egg. Fish egg. That is what my husband mother is doing. We are doing it together. Then is filling it. Okay, let's proceed. We are done making sandwich. Bread, butter, and fish egg. That is what he has been made with. We call it sandwich. This is vol-au-vent. Now we have to fill vol-au-vent. Me with Mama. Okay, Mama is taking. Mama has made different kind of sauce. Different kind of sauce. Are you guys seeing it? Mettiamo rosa.
La rosa, insomma, sono 60.
Ok.
Di per Luca.
We have done vol-au-vent. We are not done decorating it. So we have to start decorating it. And look at my mama there. Cooking. Every house is cooking Christmas food. Oh yeah. This is salmon, lime, and olive oil. So we have done preparing the salmon. That is how they are going to eat it with bread. We are done decorating vol-au-vent with prawns and salmon. Okay. This one is spider fish. Spider fish. Cutting orange.
Ah, sono belli.
Io sono content creator, io
Sì,
sto...
posso passare però?